how you can save your battery, tips and tricks. So here we go. So in this OPPO mobiles, okay, so for that you have to go in your settings and click for charge a battery. Now come in the battery. After coming in the battery, here you can see this save power saving mode, super power saving mode. Just click in these two. Now here you can see this, your saving mode is been set, totally set. Okay, so guys, this how you have to do in your video, and if you want to come back, then just come in exit. Okay, so guys, this how you have to do in your mobile, and thanks for watching this video.